Alright, here we have a 1/24th scale Welly. It's a 2016 Dodge Charger. I think Motormax, the newest one that they call, well, what they call theirs 2014. This one actually has the newer front and rear ends on it. So actually, you'll see right there, 2016 Dodge Charger RT. Again, it is a Welly model. Most of you guys know that the Welly models seem a little smaller than comparable to the Motormax and stuff. And it says right on here on the box 1/24th/27th. I would definitely give this more of a 27th scale. Lean over here real quick, because here is Motormax's 24th scale, and you can kind of see maybe the difference in the two here. How's the best way to do this? The Motormax is about an inch longer than the Welly. You can see it a little better there, maybe. Hood's up makes it look like it's further out, but right there is where it's even. So it's a little bit longer, just a little bit wider as well. So again, more of a 1/26th, 27th scale probably than 24th. But regardless, the customer wanted a 2016, and that's what we have. So again, as you can see, the doors open, hood opens on this one. And if it rains in this one, guess what? You got windows on the doors, which is kind of this Welly models. I think the majority of them have the windows on the front doors, whereas the Motormax and stuff usually they're open windows. Redesigned front end on this one. Again, it does have the newer front end on there. Different headlights and everything. Rear end of it, same deal. More narrow reverse light and turn signals not built in, but you can see the difference in there. And then there's of course the shape of the rear fascia, the rear bumper there has the newer look to it. With this one, my customer didn't want headlights or taillights in it. Wanted red and blue grille strobe, red and blue fog light strobe, and 2 blue strobes in the reverse lights. So that's really all that was done to this one. Switch is located here next to the driver's side muffler. We're going to turn it on. I did use one of my circuit boards to provide some flash patterns with this. You'll see the reds and the blues alternate in the front. Those are triple strobe. You guys may get tired of hearing me say that on my videos, but anyway, they use 3 strobes on each side. And on the rear, same setup. It's just blue strobes in the reverse lights. Again, triple strobe. No siren on this one. Like I said, pretty detailed model. I like the looks of it. The only bad thing about it, to use a 9-volt battery, it won't fit in the back because the way Welly puts their models together, the post is in the center of the car, whereas the Motormax are on either side of the bottom of the car. These use a screw right in the center, so it doesn't leave you room for a 9-volt battery. Well, the screw's too far forward, so I suppose you can maybe not cut that post off and leave the battery there, but end up probably the back of the car would not fit right. So what I had to do with this one, because they was determined they wanted a 9-volt, just cut the rear of the back seat out just a little bit, and then slide the battery through the seat, kind of like well, most cars have the seats that fold down there, so you can put skis or something longer in the back. So that's what I've done with this one. Just fold it down so the battery will fit in the back. So anyway, there you have it with its cool little flash patterns and the red and blue lights that you asked for. I appreciate the order. I'll get it. Matter of fact, I should be able to get this shipped out to you, which is actually today, because I think it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. But I'll have it ready and ship it out here when I head to work here in a couple hours. Thanks again.